Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and going to Google Meet. This authenticates your profile so meetings use the right account. Once done, click New Meeting or paste a meeting code. Make sure to allow camera and microphone access so participants can see and hear you. If you prefer scheduling, create a calendar event, add guests, and set host permissions. This makes joining predictable and communicates details ahead of time. You now manage the meeting environment. Check the bottom toolbar to toggle camera, microphone, and captions. Test your audio and video to avoid surprises. Then, when you need to show content, click Present Now and pick Entire Screen, Window, or Chrome tab. Choose Tab Audio if playing video. Also open People and Chat to see attendees and messages. Make sure to mute noisy participants or assign co-hosts so meeting flow stays smooth and focused. As you finish, stop presenting and click Leave or End Meeting for everyone to close the session cleanly. You can save chat messages or recording links to drive for later. If someone cannot join, double-check the meeting code, calendar invite email address, and guest access settings. These are the usual culprits. If problems persist, reload Meet, clear the browser cache, or switch browsers or devices. Doing that often restores audio and connection immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.